Hey everyone, welcome to Fresh Library YouTube channel. Today in this session, you are going to learn about byte array data type and list data type. Byte array data type and list data type. By the end of this video, you are able to learn about what is array data type and list data type, how to process the data in both byte array data type and list data type. Okay, without any further delay, let's start our today's session. Before proceeding into this today's session, let's have an overview of what we have discussed in the last class. What we have discussed in the last class. In the last class, we have discussed about collection data types in Python. In collection data type in Python, we have discussed about bytes data type. Okay, what is byte data type? Byte and both byte array data type both are similar data types only, but the only difference between the byte data type and byte array data type is bytes data type is immutable. As we mentioned here, byte data type is immutable and byte array data type is mutable. What is mutable? What is immutable? Mutable means we can change the input values. Immutable means we can't change the input values which we have given earlier. Okay. Bytes data type is a small thing, and bytes array data type also a small concept. Let's understand it by practically. Now I'm going to start our today's session. Bytes byte array data type. This is the second data type in collection data type. What is collection data type? Collection data type means collection of the numbers. In previous, we have given only single values, but in collection data type, we have given multiple data. Okay, multiple data. Okay. If you have any doubts regarding this single and collection data type, now please watch our previous videos. Okay, please watch our previous videos. Okay, let's start today's session. Byte byte array data type. In Python. Byte array data type in Python. So, yeah. First, if you want to understand this byte array data type, then we have to do it practically by opening IDLE. In this, here we are going to take one variable and inputs for the variable. So the variable name here is x. X equal to, here I'm taking square brackets 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 300. But yeah, here I have taken 10 20 30. Next, now I want to convert this data type into byte array data type. Byte array data type. Byte array byte array of x. Byte array of x. But if you give like this, it will throw an error. Okay, because it will allow the only integers from 0 to 256. 0 to 256. Here we had given 300. That's why it is showing error. So instead of that, we have to take the integer values which ranges from 0 to 256, which ranges from 0 to 256. Now I'm going to take that one. X equal to, in square brackets, 10 comma 20 comma 30 40 30 40. Now we can convert this data type into byte array data type. B equal to byte array of x. Now if you want to know about the which type, which data type we had converted, then type of, then we have to give type of B. So here the above data is converted into byte array data type. Byte array data type. Now I want to print that the above values. Okay. For that I'm taking one for loop. In about this for loop I will tell about in upcoming session. Okay. It is a small concept in Python. There is no need to panic about it. Print of I. So here the data we have provided. For about this for loop, I will tell in upcoming session. Okay. For just for understanding, I had taken one for loop here. Okay. Next, I want to know the index of this one. So index means the numbers which I have shown here. They will have some specific numbers. Okay, and that starts from 0 1 2 3. 0 1 2 3. Okay, if you go for reverse order, then the number starts from -1, -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, just 1 minute. So here 10 values from 0 comma 1 comma 1 means 20, 30, 40. Okay. In the same way, if you want to consider these values in reverse order, then we must specify that how many numbers we have given, 1 2 3 4. So the 10 value will be -4 comma -3 comma -2 comma -1. Okay, this is the number range from left to right. If we consider the same order in reverse order, then we must specify -1, -2, -3, -4, like that. So now I want to know the b of 0 value. B of 0 value will be, what will be the output of b of 0? 10 only, right? Or yeah, b of 0. Let's see. See 10. 0, here 0, 10. Okay. B of -1. What will be the value of -1? -1 value will be here, -1, 40. So -1. So 40. Like that, it will take. Okay. Next. Next. So here, if you want to change the value byte array data type, then we can change. How we can change? B of 0 equal to, actually B of 0 means 10 only, right? But we are changing from 10 to 100. B of 0 equal to 100. If it is accepting means it will taking the number. If it will allow to uh, change the integers. Okay, change the numbers. Okay, if it is not support, it will give error. Now here it is not generated any error, that means it is accepting. Okay, now just I want to print B of 0. Wait for a minute. B of 0. So here B of 0 means 10, but here B of 0 means 100, because we have changed that from 10 to 100. Okay, that means that it is an mutable data type. Mutable data type. If there is immutable, we can't change the values like this. From 10 to 100, we can't change the values like that. Okay, so now I'm going to write the notes for that. I'm going to clear this one first of all. So here it is exactly same as bytes data type, except that byte array is mutable. Oh, it is exactly same as bytes data type, except that byte array is mutable. Next, I am going to take copy these values for better understanding. Copy and pasting here. Okay. Yeah, this is about byte array data type. This is about byte array data type. Now, next data type. Next data type is list data type. List data type. List data type. I'm going to underline this. So in list, what is the meaning of list? List means contains some multiple values. List means containing some multiple values. Now I'm going to take fresh ideally for list data type. Just wait, give me a minute. It will open. Yeah, it was opened. So here for listed data type, I am going to take L equal to in square brackets 10 comma 30 comma 20 comma 40 60 50. List 10 comma 30 comma 20 comma 40 comma 60 comma 50. Now I want to know which data type the L is. No, so for understanding that, I am going to give as type of L. Type of L is, yeah, list data type. It is in list data type. Now I want to print these values. Print of L. So these are the output. Okay, whatever data we have given, it will give same data. Okay, this order is called insertion order. Insertion order. Because why it is called as insertion order is, what we have given the data, the same data it will give as output without any changes. The type of function is called, the type of feature is called insertion order is preserved. Insertion order is preserved. Okay, so I am going to write the notes for that. Values value should be enclosed with square brackets. For listed data type, we have to give square brackets only. Square brackets. Square brackets. Like this. Next, second thing is, it is an insertion order preserved. Insertion order preserved. That means whatever data we had given, it will give the output as the same without modifying or any changes for that. So that type of feature is called insertion order is preserved. One minute. Insertion order is preserved. So next, in these, heterogeneous objects are allowed. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Heterogeneous means I will show in practically. We can give different kinds of data types. Okay, different kinds of data types. Okay, now just wait, give me a minute. I am going to show that one. So here I am going to take L equal to list must be in square brackets, right? So I have taken square brackets 10 comma 1.2. So 10 is a integer, 1.2 is float data type. And now I'm going to give true. True means bool data type. True or false comes under in bool data type. Next one, 10 plus 3j. It is an complex data type. Complex data type. Next, I am going to give string. I am going to give string. String name is Sunny. Okay. Now L equal to this one. So we can give different kinds of data type as their input. Different kinds of data type as input. Different kinds of data means we can give integer, float, bool, complex, string. We can give any data type in list. Okay, that feature is called heterogeneous objects. Okay, heterogeneous objects are allowed. Homogeneous means it will give, we can give only one kind of data type, either string, either complex, either bool, either float, or integer. We can give only this kind. Here the above example, we had given only integer data type. This type of data is called homogeneous. Okay, but this type of data is called heterogeneous. Homogeneous is different from heterogeneous. Homogeneous means same kind of data. Heterogeneous means different kinds of data. Okay, I will also write the notes for that. I will add that point in our live class notes. Okay, next, here the duplicates are also allowed. Duplicates means if you give say 10 2 times 3 times, it will allow 30 40 like that. If you give same kind of repeated numbers also, it will allow. Let's see by practically. L equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30, again 10 comma 20 comma 30, again 10 comma 20 comma 30. So we have taken each number as 3 times. Let's see whether it will allow or not. So it has not given any error. It has not given any error means it is allowing. So we can give duplicate allows numbers also. Okay. Next, if I want to add another number, and if you want to know the length of the list, then we can give like this: length of len means length of L. So how many values here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That's why it is giving 9. Okay, that's why it is giving 9. Now I want to take one new uh, list, that is L equal to L equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Okay, next, so I want to add uh, 40 to this list. I want to add another extra number, that is 40 to this list. Now how I can give that one? By using append function. L dot append, L dot append of 40. Let's see it will allow or not. So it is allowed. So I want to print this list. So now again it is printed with 40. Okay, now I want to add 50 for the above. L dot append, L dot append of 50. So now I want to print list. So 50 is added, 50 also added. Now I want to know the length of that one. Length of L. So 5 numbers. 1 2 3 4 5. So it is given 5. Okay. Next, if I want to remove uh, 10 from the above, okay, how we can remove? L dot list name is L dot, we have must specify L dot remove remove 10. So I had removed 10. Let's see the output is. So 10 is removed. The remaining numbers are given. So we can remove the numbers like that. Okay, we can remove the numbers like that. Now I want to print the length of that one. Length of L, that is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's why it has given 4. Next, the type of feature adding and removing of numbers is called growable in nature. Growable in nature, because growable means we can add and we can delete, we can remove, add and we can remove. The type of feature is called growable in nature. Next, I want to take only some part from that one. Okay, so here L equal to, again I'm printing L equal 20, 30, 40. Okay, otherwise I can take the new one. Just I will open new ideally. Give me a minute. Yeah, it has opened. So here I'm going to take new list. L equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. In this list I want to take only first three values. Only first three values. How can I take? By using slicing operator. By using slicing operator. Slice means, generally, what is slice? Just give me a minute. Slice. Slice means small part. General slice means here, but here. Slice means a small part from the above. Okay. Small part. So small part. Slices means small parts. Okay. In the same way, we can also take some part from the above list. So by using slicing operator, for that I need to specify L of 0 is to 3. 0 is to 3. Now we had given 40 also, but it has not given 40. Why? Because we had taken only first three values. That is 0, 3 means 0, 1, 2. Okay, okay, 0, 1, 2. First three digits only it has taken. 3 means three values, first three values. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 0 to 3. Okay, now I want to take only two values. How I can take? 0, 2, 10 comma 20. Okay, 0 means 3 means 30 has printed, but 0 is to 2. When we have given 0 is to 2, then it is given only 10 comma 20. Okay, and that is comes under in slice operator. Slice operator. Next, we can add and remove the list, that is called as an mutable data type. Okay, mutable data type. Okay, so now I'm going to write the notes for that, what we have discussed and what we have done practically. For that only I'm going to write the notes. Third one, heterogeneous. Hetero Heterogeneous objects. Objects are allowed. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Next one. Sorry. Heterogeneous means we can give any data type. Next, duplicates. Duplicates are allowed. Duplicates are allowed. Next point. We can give duplicates means we can give repeatable numbers. Growable in nature. Growable in nature. Growable in nature means we can add and remove the values. Next, indexing. Indexing means 0 1 2 3. We can take from a 0 1 2 3, and we can also take the index from minus 2 minus 3. Okay, that's considering indexing. And slicing. Indexing and slicing. Slicing means taking some part of the list. Slicing are supported. Indexing and slicing are supported. Next thing, it is immutable. It is, sorry, mutable. It is mutable. Okay, so in today's session we have discussed about byte array data type and listed data type. What is the difference between byte and byte array is byte arrays are mutable and bytes are immutable. Bytes are immutable. And we had discussed about listed data type. First point is value should be enclosed with square brackets. It should be in square brackets. Insertion order is preserved. Okay, so insertion order means what we have given the data, the same data it will print in the same order without any modifications. That is comes under in insertion order feature. Next, heterogeneous means it can we can give multiple data types, either list, string, list, complex, float, bool, any kind of data we can give. Duplicates are allowed. We can give repeated numbers. Growable in nature means we can add and remove. Okay. Next, indexing and slicing means from starting to end and ending to starting. That is from 0 to 1 2 3 4, and slice and -1 to whatever the end will be. And slicing means taking some part from the list. Okay. And mutable means we can add and remove. Okay, we can add and remove, and we can change the inputs. That is considering mutable data types. So yeah, that's all for this session. If you have any doubts on this session or any previous sessions, please comment below. Yeah, thanks for liking and subscribing our Fresh Library YouTube channel.